All right, so real quick, you're going to need a 3/8 wrench and a 7/16 wrench. We're going to disconnect this tube, and we are going to start here. 3/8 wrench, loosen that, spin it off. Then we're going to take the 7/16 wrench, and we're going to come in from the side, and we're going to hook it onto that fitting, way in there. Then we're going to take the 3/8 wrench, and we're going to hook it onto this fitting, and spin it. Then you're going to spin this off while holding that fitting there. Spin it off, spin it off. Then you're going to see this is the piece that I sent you. This is the piece. Now to put it back on, we'll start with, take the new piece that I gave you, start at the top, make sure the arrow is going that way, plug it into here, screw it in hand tight, make sure you don't cross thread it, screw it in as far as it'll go. Then we'll start again here, take that end, plug it into that fitting down there, and then screw that in. Also again, making sure you're not cross thread. And then take the 7/16 wrench, put it on there, 3/8 wrench, put it on here, and righty tighty, lefty loosey, and that should do it. And then reconnect this tube, and then retighten that tube.